Welcome to your quick guide on installing plugins in Adobe After Effects. Let's get started. First, visit the official website of the plugin you want to install. Ensure it's compatible with your version of After Effects. Download the plugin file to your computer. It's usually in a zip format. Once downloaded, unzip the file by right-clicking and selecting Extract here. Now copy the extracted plugin files to the After Effects plugins folder. This is usually located in your Adobe installation directory. Lastly, restart Adobe After Effects. Your new plugin should now be available to use. To use the plugin, navigate to the Effects menu on the top bar of After Effects. It's exciting to explore. Select your newly installed plugin and apply it to your project. Experiment freely. Adjust the settings of the plugin as you see fit. Fine-tuning is key for achieving the best results. Preview your work to see how the plugin enhances your project. It's all about experimentation. Don't hesitate to revisit the settings and adjust them as needed. Mastering the plugin takes practice. Thank you for joining this tutorial. Happy animating!